Most people think you need an expensive camera to make great looking videos, but the truth is your iPhone already has everything you need. Especially if you're just starting out, it's powerful enough on its own to create professional looking content. So in this video, I'll show you why it makes sense to start with your iPhone, what really matters when creating videos, and how the iPhone can be an all-in-one filmmaking tool. I'll also suggest a few budget-friendly accessories I use to capture engaging results. Oh, and by the way, this video is sponsored by Motionray. More to them later. Here's the thing, upgrading your camera isn't what holds most people back. The iPhone you already have is a serious capable tool for video, and instead of worrying about the latest gear, it's smarter to focus on building your skills and mastering the basics. Down the line, you can always upgrade if you feel limited, but remember, better gear doesn't automatically mean better videos. Think of it like a chef. Giving someone the most expensive knife set won't instantly make them a better cook. It's the practice and creativity that matter far more than the tools. And honestly, most viewers don't even care what you're filming on. They care about the story, the value, and how you make them feel. A $2,000 camera won't save a boring video, but a simple iPhone clip with a strong story can absolutely connect. The gear doesn't matter nearly as much as a few simple things that actually make your video look and feel professional. Number one is lighting. Even the best camera looks bad in poor lighting, but with good lighting, your iPhone footage can look amazing. Next is audio. People will forgive a slightly shaky video, but if your sound is muffled or hard to hear, they'll click away instantly. Then there's composition. Simple things like framing, using the rule of thirds, and choosing interesting angles can completely change how professional your videos look. And finally, there's storytelling. In the end, it's not about 4K or megapixel, it's about making people feel something, keeping them engaged, and giving them a reason to watch. Most people don't realize just how much you can actually do with your iPhone when it comes to video. With the right apps, it becomes an all-in-one filmmaking tool to film, edit, and even publish your projects. Take the free Blackmagic camera app, for example. It gives you full manual control, letting you adjust exposure, white balance, and focus just like you would on a professional camera. On the latest iPhone, you also get Apple Log. And this format captures extra detail in the highlights and shadows, giving you more flexibility in post as well as for color grading. It also helps reduce the overly sharp digital smartphone look, making your videos appear more natural and professional. The editing can be done right on your phone too. My go-to app is LumaFusion. It's powerful enough for full video projects, yet still simple to use on the go. Having both filming and editing in one device makes the whole process fast and convenient. Before we continue, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Motionray. They're an all-in-one platform for creators where you can download unlimited music, sound effects, video templates, motion graphics, stock footage, and more. If you ever felt stuck trying to make your videos look more polished or unique, Motionray has everything you need in one place. And I use Motionray all the time in my own projects. The background music you're hearing right now is from their library. And they make it super easy to find tracks that actually fit the mood of your video. Another cool feature they have is their AI voiceover. If I need a quick narration in a different voice, I can generate it instantly. That sounds something like this.
Hi, need an AI voiceover? I've got you covered.
The biggest benefit for me is how much time it saves. Instead of searching across multiple sites and paying per asset, I can just log in, grab what I need, and get straight back to creating. They even give you access to hundreds of free assets to try out. And if you go for any of the annual plan, you'll get 2 extra months for free by using the link in the video description below. So if you're serious about leveling up your videos and saving hours in editing, check out Motionray. Thanks again for sponsoring the video. Let's now move on. Now, even though your iPhone is powerful on its own, there are a few affordable accessories that can really step up your videos. So first up is audio. While the internal mic on the iPhone doesn't sound bad, sometimes you need to be further away from the camera. And that's when a wireless mic makes a huge difference. And the one I've been using is the DJI Mic Mini. It's small, super easy to use, plug and play, delivers clear audio. So we're now doing an audio test. I have the DJI Mic Mini transmitter connected to the receiver. The receiver is plugged into the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, the great thing about using a wireless mic is that I can walk around without any cables. I can even turn my back and it should still be able to capture the audio clearly. Next up is lighting. My favorite one is the 5-Ray M20C. While I do work a lot with natural light, sometimes you need artificial light, especially when filming indoors. The light works great as a key light. It can instantly make your footage look professional, especially if you're filming, like I said, indoors or in low light. Next up is stability. A tripod is really an essential tool that anyone should invest in, giving you stability and flexibility to position your camera anywhere. And the one I recommend is the travel tripod from SmallRig. For the price, it's really great. It's high quality and I've been using mine for years without any issues. Another simple but really handy accessory is the clamp with a magic arm. I like the one from SmallRig. If I can't fit a tripod or need to film in tighter spaces, this clamp is perfect. It lets you quickly mount your iPhone in flexible positions, clamp it onto different surfaces, and adjust the angle with ease. It saves me time, makes setup easier, and is especially useful if you're filming on the go. Another favorite of mine is the VlogPod 3K. It has an octopus-like grip that makes it great for quickly securing your iPhone onto poles, which you'll almost find anywhere if you're in the city. It also doubles as a compact vlogging setup and works perfectly for achieving lower angled shots. This versatility makes it super practical tool for both city filming and creative angles. Another accessory I recommend you get is a variable ND filter, and the one I like is from SmallRig. With the Blackmagic camera app, it helps keep natural motion blur and proper shutter speed even in bright daylight. Think of it like sunglasses for your camera. Another accessory that's really helpful, especially if you're a solo creator like me, is a monitor. The 1x lens on the rear camera gives you the best video quality compared to the selfie camera, but the downside is that you can't see yourself while filming. With the Shimble CP5 Mini 2, you can mirror your iPhone screen and see exactly what you're shooting. What I like about this one is that it's small, easy to bring along, and also has Bluetooth connection, so you can trigger the recording from the monitor itself instead of using the iPhone screen or buttons. That makes filming yourself so much easier and saves a lot of running back and forth. Another great accessory is the suction mount for mounting the iPhone on vehicles to capture dynamic shots. You can either get the one with one or with two suction cups if you want to be more safe, and it's a great way to get stable moving footage from outside the car, giving you more dynamic shots that would otherwise be difficult to achieve. And then the last item I want to mention is the DJI Neo. It's great because I can use it with my iPhone to control the drone directly, so I don't necessarily need a dedicated controller. It makes it easy to capture aerial shots that would otherwise be difficult to achieve, and it's especially useful for top-down shots, which add a creative and engaging angle to your videos. I also like that it's compact and portable, making it simple to bring along. Plus, it's compatible with the DJI Mic Mini, so you can still capture great audio while using it. All right, folks, hopefully this gave you a good understanding of the capabilities your iPhone already has and how you might use it for your content creation or video production needs. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd be happy to help. Also, let me know what other topics you'd like to see next. In the meantime, you can check out this video right here, which is all about how to shoot pro quality videos with your iPhone. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next one.